Mastering Kitchen Chores, Sparkling Clean Appliances. Hello, language learners. Welcome to today's lesson. Today, we're going to delve into a new topic in our Everyday Activities series. We're discussing kitchen chores, specifically focusing on cleaning appliances. This is a vital part of managing a household, and we'll learn some essential English vocabulary and phrases related to this activity. So let's make our English shine just like our appliances. Firstly, let's explore some of the essential vocabulary related to cleaning kitchen appliances. 1. Appliances. These are machines that help us carry out different tasks in our homes, especially in the kitchen. Examples include the stove, refrigerator, dishwasher, microwave, and toaster. 2. Clean. This is a verb which means to remove dirt or mess from something. 3. Wipe. This means to rub a surface with a cloth to clean or dry it. 4. Rinse. This is the process of washing something in clean water. 5. Scrub. This means to rub something hard in order to clean it. Try to use these words in your everyday conversations to familiarize yourself with them. Now that we know the vocabulary, let's see how these words apply to cleaning individual appliances. 1. Stove. When cleaning a stove, we first remove the grates and burners. We then wipe the surface and scrub off any stubborn stains. Finally, we rinse and dry before replacing the grates and burners. 2. Refrigerator. We begin by emptying the refrigerator. Next, we wipe down the shelves and drawers. Any difficult stains can be scrubbed away. After everything is clean, we rinse where necessary, dry, and then replace the items back into the refrigerator. 3. Dishwasher. We start by removing any debris from the drain. We then wipe the edges of the door and run a cycle with a special dishwasher cleaner. Finally, we wipe it down again once the cycle is complete. 4. Microwave. To clean a microwave, we first remove the plate and wipe inside the microwave. We then scrub off any stubborn stains, rinse, and dry. The plate is cleaned separately and replaced back in the microwave once it's dry. Let's learn some helpful phrases that can come in handy when talking about cleaning appliances. 1. Could you please wipe down the countertops after you cook? 2. The dishwasher needs a thorough scrubbing. 3. It's time to rinse off the soap from the dishes. 4. The stove has been cleaned and is ready for use. 5. Don't forget to remove the crumbs from the toaster. And there we have it. Now you're equipped with the vocabulary and phrases to discuss cleaning kitchen appliances in English. Just remember, the more you practice, the better your English will be. So try to use these new words and phrases when you talk about your daily routine. Happy learning and keep those appliances sparkling clean.